Hi, in this video we're going to show you an extension you could use to configure email notifications for Gmail, and it also does a bunch of other things. So it's called Checkr Plus for Gmail. So to install it, just make sure you're logged in with the account you want to use it on, and then just install it just like any other extension. Then you'll have an icon up here which shows your emails that you could click on, and you actually read them from here. Mark as read, compose, search, view your contacts, mark all as read, copy, view the spam folder, and if you click on more, it'll take you to the main settings. Then you could also get that from here if you click on options. Then you could also open your Gmail and refresh the page, and then compose from here as well. Okay, so once you go to the settings, we have your welcome page here. And these tabs kind of match what's up here. So we have notifications if you want to change the sound, if you want to have voice notifications, the type of notifications, if you want to have text or rich or nothing, the volume for the notification. I notice it's kind of quiet, so you might want to bump it up or change the sound to something else. And then what happens when you click on the notification? A lot of options there. And then the buttons for notifications, mark as read, delete, the button color, when to close the notification. Let's bump that up just for testing purposes. So for this, you might have to change your system defaults because the Windows notifications are 5 seconds. And if you click OK, you could get instructions. So we'll see if that actually works or not. Otherwise, you would have to go change the Windows notification options. All right, then what to do with the email. If you want to show contact photos, we'll check that. So you have to allow it if you want to do that. And then some other steps you might have to take as well. And then what to display. If you want to repeat the notification, you could do that. So if you don't notice it, you could have it shown again. And then some other options here. All right, then the button. So here's the default button. You could change it to one of these if you want something different. The bulk click action. If no unread email action. Animation icon. So it says to look up there, so we'll do that again. So you can see how it kind of shakes the email. If you want to hide the unread email count, you could do that. So you can see up here how it goes away. And then you can change the color if you want. All right, then we have accounts and labels. Auto detect signed in accounts. The polling interval, 30 seconds is the default, or you could do real time. Then your account that you're using and what you want to open it to, which folder or label. And then system labels here. You got your categories. All right, then we have some do not disturb settings if you need to set that up. So if you don't want to be bothered, you could schedule it as well. And we have some general settings here. So a lot of settings here. I'll just kind of scroll through this and you can check those out. All right, then you can change the skin or the theme if you want. Then some shortcut keys. Then there's a voice input option, which is in beta right now. Okay, so let's try it out. Let's go back home here. So we'll be looking for a notification down here. So we'll send one to this user from a different user. Okay, so we'll just pretend we're working away here, not paying attention. So the interval was set to 30 seconds by default, so we'll have to wait for that. But you could change it to instant. Okay, so there is the notification. You could tell you couldn't really hear the sound. And then you can mark it as read, delete it. You have some Windows options here. And if you click on it, it'll just go away like that. All right, let's go back here. And then if we come up here, we could see our email. We could actually read it from here if we want, and reply to it, delete it, mark it as spam, all the usual options. All right, so as you can see, there is quite a bit to this program, but if you're just using it for notifications, then it's pretty simple. But there are some really nice things you could do if you want to customize it. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you can install the Checkr Plus for Gmail. So it works for Chrome, so it should work for Edge. I'm not sure if it supports any other browsers, so you might want to check their website and see if that's the case. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.